find something so out of the ordinary. How are you laying me down to a dead and buried on the edge of your night, staying drunk on your vibe. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground in the sanctuary, trying to be with your touch. Oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found.
Tsaka ito yung lunch niya, fruit. Dadalhin niya sa school. Diba, ito yung mga boxes nga, lunch boxes na binili ko sa ano guys. Alam niyo na. Sa Temu. Ito yun, ito. Ganda siya. Sige, boo.